It's not every day that I get to witness a complete shit show. But when I do, I'm going to share it with you. Take a look at this guy right here. Yo! You can't make that up, folks. You can't make that up. You really can't. Look at that, folks. The guy's got a Ram 1500 with a Hemi 5.7 liter engine. He's got the short bed in the back. And I swear, you can't make this up. You can't. I don't know how he's going to do this, but I really think that I am going to stick around to watch this shit go down. You know, unless he's taking some kind of dolly in the back, that shit ain't fucking going down. Look at that. That, you need a fucking skateboard, folks. You need a fucking skateboard for that shit, ladies and gentlemen. A skateboard. Or some kind of trailer. Folks, what you are witnessing right now is occurring right now next to the pro contractor section of the Valley Stream Home Depot here in the great communist state of New York. It's Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. It's 10 minutes to 2 here in the afternoon. Folks, make sure you hire a licensed professional for any kind of home improvement project, or any kind of project that is. One that is using their noggins. Now, I don't normally like to go to Home Depot, but you're not going to believe this shit. You see this torpedo level? See it? I also got a bunch of pilot bits. I bought a lot of pilot bits. A lot of them. You see, earlier today in Valley Stream, figures, right? Earlier today in Valley Stream, Derek, Daniel, and myself decommissioned and disposed a 30,000 BTU Fujitsu single-zone ductless mini-split system in a restaurant. We got there at 7:30 in the morning. We were done by 9:30. Ain't lying. That was the first install of the day. And then when we got finished with that install, we installed a 12,000 BTU single-zone system in a home. Also by ACIQ. Folks, I'm not going to stand witness to the shit show that's here, but all I'm going to say is that guy right there, he's getting creative. He is definitely creative. Hopefully, he doesn't really need those long lengths of the composite decking, because they are going to be scraping the cement and the pavement on the way to his destination. I don't know, when I built the deck on my house, I called Contractor Express in Oceanside, and I placed an order, and they delivered it the next day. Right? So, the Torpedo, I use my Torpedo. Hold on, this guy doesn't want to drive. There we go. Come on. What are we waiting on? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Bite. Not now. Bite. Not now. All right. I use my Torpedo to make sure that the wall mount bracket was level. It's got a great magnet on it. And that's where it remained. It remained on the wall mount bracket. It's crazy. So at the second install, when I went to go make sure that the wall mount bracket was level and plumb, my torpedo was gone. And at that moment I realized that I fucked up. So I went to Home Depot, you know, that store where low prices are just the beginning. I needed to get some pilot bits because they don't usually, they don't last that long, you know, pilot bits. You know, you hit a nail, you're done. You know, or it gets misplaced. So I went to Home Depot because I'm a Home Depot shopper. You mad at me? Thinking, oh wow. Oh, that guy's moving with a purpose now. Look at him, the Jaguar. He ain't going nowhere fast. He going nowhere fast, folks. He going nowhere fast, folks. Going all fast or nothing. I would be like gangster right now and go in that left lane and make a right turn, but I'm not going to be that guy. I know that this guy right here is going to make a turn into there. I can almost guarantee it. Or he's going to make a right turn going into on Rosedale Road. I could place any amount of money on it. I guarantee it. That's where that motherfucker's going. Jaguar. Yeah. What do you want to wager, folks? What do you want to wager? What do you want to wager? Let's see. Let's see, folks. Oh, I was wrong about going into Millbrook. Right? I was wrong about going into Millbrook, but I wonder if he's going to make a left going into Valley Stream over here. Because he was flooring it before. Flooring it. Let's see. No one's really paying attention, so I gotta get ahead of this guy because this is driving me crazy. So I like to drive with a purpose. I really do. I know you guys do as well. But if I can get ahead of that Silverado and I can take this guy by going into the right lane, I will get to my destination that much faster. See? Look at it. He wants to go. Yeah, he wants to go. But let's just move out of here, out of my fucking way, this fucking idiot. Yep. Let's see where he's gonna go. Now he's driving like a little bitch. See? Now he's driving like a bitch. Crazy. See him? He did like 90. He did 90. Crazy. Now he's driving like a little bitch. I don't get it. I really don't. But, you know what's going to be now? I ain't going to be at that light with him. Unless he's at that last light. I think he's at the last light. That's how slow he was driving. Slow as fucking molasses. So we banged out 2 installs today. Tomorrow we're doing a retrofit replacement. Taking out a Rheem rectangle outdoor unit. 1.5 tons, 18,000 BTUs. R22 system. Putting in a Mikey Pipes by ACIQ heat pump system. The outdoor unit. You know, the side discharge. And the indoor blower. It's gonna come out in tits. I'm looking forward to doing that tomorrow. And then we have tomorrow's the day before 4th of July, so the guys are gonna enjoy themselves a 3-day weekend. Very nice. Friday, I am doing an emergency service call at a cell tower. Back to that cell tower off the Sunset Parkway in Valley Stream. Going back there again. The primary, secondary, the master-slave controller that alternates systems, it ain't working anymore. So we're going to replace that. Put in just a much more simplified controller. We'll do that Friday morning. So good stuff. Good stuff. Folks, maybe I'll catch a video, create a video tomorrow. If not, I'll catch you next week after the 4th. Be safe. Don't blow off your hand. Gotcha? Be well.